See this fat right here?
Hi.
She wants to play in the rain. Go play in it.
Go play in it?
Go play in it.
Well, I'm gonna go play in it on the trampoline.
Go play in it.
Really?
Yes.
I'm gonna go. I'm gonna get in so much trouble for this.
She's a tard. Look at that jiggle. She's so stupid. Look at that. Look at that bounce. Look at that fat. Look, there's a car. Fat, and that fat almost just fell. Fat, fat. Only fat people jump on the trampolines when it's raining. See that fat butt hanging out? She is very large.
My back's wet now. And I can't see out of my glasses.
You fail. Would you like to come in? She's so large. Just look at it bouncing around. In its natural habitat. It's just mesmerizing. Look at that. Look at that largeness. I feel like I'm about to get eaten alive. Get off of me.